distracting myself from it.
Oh, don't.
Okay.
That wasn't Abe either.
Yeah. It's convenient.
So I have to cut all this dead connective tissue because it's
Greg
literally
is loving it.
dead.
He's loving playing doctor.
You know what? I actually about 6 months ago was looking online to see what I needed to do to go into medical, to be a medical practitioner.
What do you need to do?
Be mentally stable. So,
Yeah.
mate.
Jerk. Okay, so I've got to cut through all of that.
Let's go to the big pool.
No, it's still cut. It's still cooked onto too much tissue.
Is this one more connected than the other?
Not really.
Your second toe looks dead as well. I reckon we get rid of that one.
Just cut the whole
No,
toe.
it's always like that, don't worry.
Oh, I reckon maybe then it just needs it. For old time's sake.
Shut up.
It feel good?
Not really.
Fancy that.
It does.
Ripping your nail off
It smells.
doesn't feel good.
Alright.
No, it just means it's trying not to get infected.
That's correct.
Like this part, this little pea. Yeah.
Wow.
That looks
That was easy.
It looks a bit more fresh.
Yeah, this foot is the bigger foot, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this one died first.
Yeah, this one was dead way before the other one. There was a point when I was like, that one's coming off, that one might not.
Jokes.
Yeah, no. Jokes, the same one did too. But check out the amount of blood, like, already. Like, that one
Thanks.
has got a little bit, that one just nothing.
Yeah.
From what I can see, anyway. So it's...
It's gonna hurt when you watch that.
Oh, yeah.
Not really.
Maybe too bad.
It won't be.
Feel weird.
Just gotta be.
Some good high-res photos.
Has Greg been harassing you about your Red Bull?
Yeah, well, we looked it up. It's just so completely wrong.
Red Book.
There's 80 milligrams of caffeine in a Red Bull, and there is 120 to 180 milligrams of caffeine in a coffee.
Oh, I thought you were
Yeah,
talking
'cause
about
you'd probably
like
die
Red
at
Book,
30
which is
cups.
like car evaluation.
If you had like 30 cups of coffee, I think you'd die.
It certainly wouldn't be good for you.
Didn't Luke drink too
But
much
coffee
one
tastes
time?
like crap anyway. Luke's had
Ooh,
caffeine
ooh,
tablets.
that's a bit hurting.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
I know.
no-dos and stuff.
I've got to get in to there though
Yeah.
to release
Most
that.
of some of the guys from our school would blend up no-dos.
Don't worry, it's almost out.
Like energy drinks. And
What?
pretty sure, yeah.
I took a couple of no-dos at 4. But that's the
You
only
needed
time.
it though, because you
Oh,
were
I was
you were
ranted
going
too.
in like 2 hours.
One of the funny things oh yeah, I told you about this, about the no-dos and sleeping pills, and I told you about this, about making a cocktail to give to somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're talking about this awesome cocktail to give to somebody, like no-dos,
Laxatives.
laxatives,
Nah.
no-dos, laxatives, sleeping pills,
You
Viagra,
mix, like,
stool
laxatives
sara.
with fibre powder. That's what you want.
Okay.
Virtually every one of those pills contradicts each other in one way
Yeah.
or another.
Yeah.
No-dos and sleeping tablets, laxatives and Viagra. That just doesn't work.
Yeah, but think that.
I'm falling apart off right now. Oh.
Just like you
Are you
imagine.
filming this conversation as well? Yep.
Uh-oh. Okay, we need to edit all this out. I need to make people think that I'm a good person.
Just got that vision.
But think about it. Like the person be sitting on the toilet. Just like, what's wrong with me? He calls the paramedics. It's like, I don't know. Everything is going wrong. And he's like, but no, don't come in. Don't come in. Okay. Same thing. We got a little bit of connective tissue that I'm going to have to gently cut. And then it should be.
This one came off way easier.
That's fun.
Ready to come out? It's almost out. I've just got a little bit of tissue that I'm gonna have to remove. Yep, I know.
Yeah, you should have like make little tutorial videos
YouTube it.
about going to the West Coast for your class. What not to do.
Go with me.
No, I know what I'm doing.
I wasn't talking about cutting them off, I was talking about wearing small shoes.
Oh,
There's your
wow.
second.
That was a bit
Bam.
easy. Oh wow.
That was what, 6 minutes instead of 10.
Almost too easy.
And they had the break like
Okay.
that
Back on
notch
track
out
again.
too.
Now see right here, that's some of the, that tissue's dead.
Yeah.
I'll just remove it right now.
See if you can get the new toenail out.
Marty, you are the devil.